This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Gorgeous custom colonial home nestled between the 7th fairway of the Kingsmill Plantation golf course and Hathaway Creek. Over 4,000 square feet with a fantastic floor plan featuring formal living and dining off the front entrance. A beautiful kitchen with updated stainless steel appliances overlooks the sunroom and inviting family room with vaulted ceilings and masonry fireplace. Golf views and vaulted ceilings greet you in the first floor primary with large closet and lovely ensuite bath with dual vanities and spa-like soaking tub. Huge bonus room featuring amazing closet space and its own full bath. Another sizable primary suite, 2 additional large bedrooms and another full bath are on the 2nd level. Amazing fully floored attic on the 3rd level. Phenomenal outdoor spaces for entertaining with seasonal golf and water views on the large composite back deck featuring a new jacuzzi. Priced nearly $50,000 below appraisal. This one is not to be missed. November 22, 2024. For more information, review the details below.